Apparently my steering lock failed or something like that. And I saw on YouTube that you're meant to shake the steering wheel. Like, hard. And press start, hopefully. No.